Senior, Humanities 12 students, you're great people. We appreciate your attitudes. Here's what we got going on Monday, April 27th. First, complete the Do Now assignment. We've been doing great on those. Typically not particularly very hard, so keep that up. Second, we're done with the Unit 9. If you haven't done your reassessment and you feel like you need to, do that as soon as you can. It's due today. That second attempt is. So try to get that done, and you certainly can earn more points on the test. That would be great. All right, moving on. Second, complete the Chapter 3, Section 1 assignment, and that is due on Wednesday. That is the first of this unit from the book, and it's available to you. The chapter is available in resources to read. You'll be able to check that out. You can also look through resources, see I don't feel like it's particularly very productive to read through the learning targets, but you could do that under the resources folder if you want to. And Chapter 3, Section 1 is the first assignment from the book, and it is due on Wednesday, April 29th. There is another extra credit opportunity. It's also due Wednesday, and you just have to look at it. The things you would need to read, or the one thing you would need to read, you would find in the resources folder as well. And then you also have the Big Short film to watch for extra credit. So there's a couple things you could be doing. I think that would be a good idea for some of you if you have the time. All right, that's all I got. Hopefully you guys had a good weekend. And please, if you need something, need help from me, ask. I would love to help you. Our next video conference will be on Tuesday, April 28th at noon. See you guys. Be good.